Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. This morning in one of my classes we were doing a unit from one of the first books I co-authored, Innovations Advanced, which came out many years ago now. And in this book we have a whole unit exploring language around faith and belief and religion, which are topics you don't generally find in ELT course books. Anyway, in one particular exercise, students were discussing the difference between an agnostic, which is basically a person who's not sure whether they believe in God or not, and an atheist, someone who's sure that they don't believe in God. And one of my students very dryly noted that an agnostic is basically just an atheist who's hedging their bets. If you hedge your bets, you're basically trying to protect yourself against any possible loss or suffering or pain by supporting more than one possible result, or by supporting both sides in a competition. So the idea here was that basically agnostics don't really believe in God, but what they're doing is to say, I don't really believe in God, but I'd better not say that out loud in case God's listening. Okay, so it's like betting on two different horses in a horse race. And there are all kinds of examples of this in everyday life. Weather forecasters sometimes hedge their bets when they say that there's a big storm coming, and it might come inland or it might go out to sea. If you're a currency dealer, you might hedge your bets by investing in a number of different currencies, so that if one currency collapses, you've still got money invested in other currencies. Those of you who are paying close attention to what's going on with Russia's invasion of Ukraine will have noticed that Turkey has basically been playing both sides in the conflict by hedging their bets. And in one of my other classes this week, we were talking about Switzerland, a country which, as far as I'm aware, is not in the European Union, technically, but is in the single market. So I guess, depending on which way you look at it, they're either hedging their bets or they've got the best of both worlds. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use hedge your bets.